Hi student, good morning to all. Welcome to another classes. Today we are discuss class 10 chemistry chapter 4 carbon and its compound. It is the third part of this chapters. So today our topic is the saturated and unsaturated carbon compound. This is the most important topic. Okay. So I hope all of you watch till the end of this video. So let's start our topic. First one, saturated hydrocarbons. What is saturated hydrocarbons? Okay, the hydrocarbons which contain single bond in between the carbon and carbon atoms are called what are saturated hydrocarbons. So let's one example of saturated hydrocarbon. It is C2H6 and the name are what are ethane. ETHAN, ethane. So what are the structure of ethane? Here two carbon are present in between the carbon atom, a single bond are present, and 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 6 hydrogen atom are present. So we know that earlier classes the carbon have the 4 valency, and to satisfy this valency of these carbon atoms, they are joined by 3 hydrogen atoms and 1 carbon atoms. So they are outer side are the 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are bonded with hydrogens and carbons. To satisfy this one, the carbon compounds are so what are saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. And the saturated carbon compound which are present in between or which are present in the single bond or which are joined by single bond, that is known as what are alkane. What are ALKANE, alkane. Okay. So alkane, a group of compounds. It is in general formula also, and the general formula of alkane are CnH2n plus 2. Here C means carbon, H means hydrogens, and N is the number of atoms. So in place of C we are taken 2. So in place of N we are taken 2. Then we get a compound what are C2H2n2 4 and plus 2 6 C2H6, and the name of this compound what are ethane. So how can this one are named as we are discussing their IUPAC nomenclatures. Okay, IUPAC, it is an organization, and according to this organization all the compounds are naming is. Okay, so it is a general idea about what are alkanes or saturated hydrocarbons. So next are the unsaturated hydrocarbons. What are unsaturated hydrocarbons? The unsaturated hydrocarbons are what are the carbon and carbon in between double bond and triple bond. One or more double bond or triple bond are present, then this is what are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Either the carbon-carbon double bond are present, then it is known as what are alkene, and in between the carbon-carbon triple bond present, then it is known as alkyne. Okay. So last what are ENE are ended the compound, then it is carbon-carbon double bond, or last are the YNE are end, then carbon-carbon triple bond are present. Okay, and last alkane though, okay, ANE are present, then carbon-carbon what are single bond are present. It is the most important. So now we are discussing some example of unsaturated hydrocarbons. It is the first C2H4. C2H4, the name are the ethene. ETHENE, ethene. And the structure of ethene are C double bond C, in between C double bond are present because they are ethene group, and 4 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is the structure of ethene. Another one example we are discussing, it is a C3H6, and the name of this compound are propene, PROPENE. ओके, ये नेम कैसे हो रहा है इसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे आईयूपीएसी नोमेनक्लेचर में. ओके, इसका स्ट्रक्चर के बेस करके कैसे इसका नामिंग हो रहा है. ओके, now only we are concept clear the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so the 3 carbon are present, and in between one carbon atom we are used double bond. Okay, so this carbon double bond means to satisfy the valency of carbon, what are 2 hydrogen are required to bond it. So now this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 3 bonds are present, that's why 1 hydrogen are required to bond. It is only 1 bond, that's why 3 hydrogens are required to bond. Now all these carbons have the 4-4 bond, and now satisfy their valency. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens also are present. So it is the structure of water propene, and this is called water alkene, which group ALKENE, and the general formula of alkene are CnH2n. Okay, CnH2n. C means carbon, H means hydrogens, and N is the number of atoms. Now we are discussing another one, unsaturated hydrocarbon group, that is the in between the triple bond are present. The formula of this compound are what are C2H2. C2H2, the compound name are ethine, ETHYN, ethine, and the structure of ethine are C in between carbon-carbon triple bond and 1 hydrogen. That is, this is the structure of water ethine. Okay, here triple bond and here 4 bond. This is also triple bond, 1 bond. Okay. Another one example of this group, C3 and H4. Is the name as other propine. Propine, and the structure of propine are C3, 1, 2, 3 carbon are present, and 1 carbon is used triple bond. Then this carbon, how many hydrogens are attached? Only 1. Okay, now therefore, and this carbon no hydrogen, because this one 3 and this one 1, 4 bonded are completed, and this is only 1 bond, that's why 3 hydrogen are attached, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now this is a complete structure of propine molecules. Okay, and this one, when the triple bond are present, this is named as a group what are alkyne, ALKYN. Okay, and the general formula of alkyne are CnH2n minus 2. Okay, CnH2n minus 2. We use this general formula, then many examples we are written, and we have to easily remember all these compound structure and their name. Okay, here also C means carbon atom and S means hydrogen atoms. So it is some example we have discussed of alkane, alkenes and alkynes. So what are the main difference among the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons? And these saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons are what are, sorry, this saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds are named as what are hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbon? Okay, so our main topic is the what is hydrocarbons. Okay, so what is hydrocarbons? The organic compounds which contain only carbons and hydrogen atoms. What are only carbons and hydrogen atoms? Then it is named as what are hydrocarbons. Okay, so the hydrocarbons are mainly categorized as two part or two categories. That is, the one are the saturated and one are the unsaturated. saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay. So saturated hydrocarbon, what are the carbon which contains single bond? That is the what are alkanes. So example of what are saturated hydrocarbon is the group of alkane. Okay, in between carbon single bond are present. And the unsaturated hydrocarbon are two types. It is the first one are the alkene, when the carbon are double bond, and the second one alkyne, when the carbon are triple bond present. Okay, this is the mainly the hydrocarbons are divided into two parts. It is the saturated hydrocarbon, which one alkanes, and the carbon are triple bond are present. The example of alkane are what are methane, ethane, okay, propane, butane, etc. And the alkene example are the ethene, propene, okay, butane, etc. And the example of alkyne are ethyne, propyne, okay, etc. One thing you remember, okay, that time we are written example of saturated hydrocarbon always are end with the An, last में end किसमें होगा An में, okay. So all the compounds have the three parts. This one we are discussed, it is the prefix, okay, word root plus suffix. Okay, every compounds have the three parts. This one we are written. Okay, what are prefix, word roots, and suffix. Okay, we are discussing that time in the naming. Okay, IUPAC naming discuss. Okay, alkenes mean example are ethene, propenes. Alkyne means ethyne and propynes. And the general formula also we have to remember the alkane general formula. What are CnS2n plus 2. Alkene general formula CnS2n, and alkyne general formula CnS2n minus 2.